Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to schedule more than one Zoom meeting. So what you have to gonna do? What you gonna do? You will have to open the Zoom app and you will see you will see the schedule meeting and you will write this meeting's name and you will have to done it by entering the name of this meeting. So this is schedule meeting. You will enter the time and date and set it and click to just one done. So it will be scheduled meeting. So it will be allow the all permissions and get start. It can also you can directly the schedule. You can also share this on email and you will have to just date time and set the name of meeting and click to just start. So it will be start. This is how to schedule one meeting on Zoom. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.